Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Meatless Monday. On today's episode, I'll be cooking a Jamaican pea soup, Meatless Monday style. If you want to see how I do this, then keep on watching. Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video, we're gonna make some Jamaican pea soup, Meatless Monday style. We say no meat Monday, yeah man. So that's the video we have planned for you today. So we have all of the ingredients them here, right here. So this soup here we're gonna get it on the table in under an hour. Alright, so we have a flour for our spinners, so we have flour in our pea soup. We have piece of yam, we have pumpkin, say Jamaican soup if you have pumpkin in it. I have about 2 cups of the coconut milk there. Mix and put it in the fridge. I'm gonna use a pack of Maggi thick and spicy noodle. Also your soup if you have your noodle. And we're gonna get some help from the store, from the supermarket or the shop today with the tin peas. We have carrot here, so we have scotch bonnet pepper, and we have garlic. We have onion. You might wonder why I make onion, but you will see when we start. Piece of ginger. We had some spice to the soup. No Jamaican pea soup, not without thyme and scallion and pimento. Yeah, man, so we have a scallion this. So. Yeah, man. So we're going to cut up right here, so, and then come back and come show you how we cook this Jamaican pea soup, meatless Monday style. Alright. So we're going to cook a quick and easy soup, guys. We start flavor the pot from early. So that's why we have the onion there. We're going to sweat out the onion and the carrot together so we can start off with the flavor in the pot. So now wait until when time we have the food and then we season it up. We start seasoning the pot from beginning. So now we're going to chop up the carrot, put in the pot together with the onion, to sweat them out together. Nice flavor. So we'll start out flavoring the pot from beginning. And also, guys, whenever did remember to put the potato in at the beginning. So yeah, so we have to have some potato. We have to do it quick and fast. We need to have something to tick it up, not true? So we're gonna add a big Irish here to it. Let's chop it up as well. Yeah, so we're gonna dice up the Irish potato. And this I gonna add body to the soup along with the pumpkin. Make the soup thick. Say Jamaican pea soup normally thick. So the only thing we're not gonna have another soup here are the meat, guys. We're gonna have it same thickness, same flavor, everything. Just the meat. Meatless Monday style. No meat Monday style. So we'll start on the pumpkin here so now. Sometimes I peel the pumpkin, sometimes I don't, but another for today, we are gonna peel the pumpkin. Man, and the pumpkin I gonna add some color and it, I add some thickness to the soup too. So we're gonna dice up some and we're gonna cut up some so we can get to mash it out in the soup to add body to the soup. Remember as I said before, we need the soup for thick as traditional Jamaican pea soup. Give it a rinse, then dice it up. You know, we have had the holy grail, garlic. We have two fat peg of garlic here. I gotta just chop them, crack them, and then give them a rough chop. Two fat peg of garlic. I've had garlic to the soup. Give them a peel and then rough chop them. So everything just boil out in the soup. So I will cut up a scallion now. You know, say again, traditionally, Jamaican pea soup. You have to have soup on a whole, Jamaican soup on a whole, you have to have scallion and thyme, you know. So, yeah. Um, add piece of ginger to it. Add little spice along with the pepper. And guys, we have put two scotch bonnet in there, but them not hot. Crush the ginger. Then pimento. Rinse. I will just have to crush them. Get out every single flavor out it when we crush it. So here we have everything chopped and prepped, guys. And quick tip, in order to get everything done in and done how as we say it all do, we have to have everything them chop and prepped. So see my flour knead up there. Yeah man. And my yam and pumpkin them everything peel up and chop up. And then put salt, like we never have salt there before. So you know, so we have to have salt in our soup. And then we're going to sweat out everything in the coconut oil there. Yeah, so we have the coconut oil to the pot now. Go and get it going. Go and make it heat up. And then we put in the onion and the carrot first. So we're going to start out sauteing the carrot and the onion. Go and sweat them out and get them sweet and nice. Start adding flavor to the soup from the beginning, being that it's a quick, fast soup where I look about. Add the rest of the ingredient them now. So we add the pumpkin, thyme and scallion, Irish, and go and saute them out. Alright, here so now we're going to add with tin peas. As I say, when I boil no peas, it's a quick and easy soup where I look about Meatless Monday. So where I get help from the shop, the supermarket or the store, whatever you want to call it. I use the tin peas. That's it. You know how we say we don't waste nothing, so we have to put water in it and rinse out everything from out there. So it come to a boil now. And now we're ready for adding the coconut milk. I bought 2 cups of coconut milk mixed and put on in the fridge. About an hour now. Well set and ready for me. If you add to the soup. And this is going to add so much flavor to the soup, guys. Rinse it out and add 2 more cups of water. Cover it now, guys. And then bring it back to a boil. And we start adding the food. It's now back to a rapid boil, guys. So I give it a stir. I go add the food to it. Guys, me yam them oxidize, but them I go clear up. Can I peel it too early? I'm kind of oxidize and get brown, but them I go clear up by the end of the soup. Cover it and bring it back to a boil. Now we're ready for add with spinach, guys. You know, for me, I don't want no flat dumpling in my soup. Spinach I want so I can get a quick bite. And even though it's hot, I can just get a quick bite out of it. If you agree with me, give me video a thumbs up now. Add in the spinach. Last one that, guys. Give it a stir. Then cover it back. So right here, so now guys, we're going to add the finishing touches to the soup. First, we're going to add back a little piece of thyme to get like a freshness from it and the 2 pepper them. And guys, them pepper here just flavorful, them not have much heat in it. So I'm going to burst one of the pepper them in the soup. So let's give it a little heat and then we'll add with salt. Then we add with thick and spicy noodle. While you pour this in, guys, give it a stir because it will form lumps in there and you know, taste good to take up a lump and noodle in it. So stir it while you throw it in there in order not to have any lumps. Alright, here so I give the soup a little help. I go and use the back of the spoon and mash out some of the pumpkin and Irish potato, which I go add body to the soup and thick it up and everything. Thick it up fast. Yeah, if you have it on the fire, boil a long time to get it thick. Go and give it some help by mashing out the pumpkin and Irish potato on the side of the pot. Hey man, if you know, we say no waste nothing. We drain out everything. And if nothing dip on the side, we just take up the cloud of water, the soup water, put it in the bag and rinse it out. Because we say no waste nothing. We no waste nothing around here. Alright? Being that the soup having coconut milk, guys, in order to make the coconut milk or the coconut taste shine through in the soup and make it come in like you look about it for long, add some sugar in it. And that are going to make the coconut taste stand out in the soup. So I cover it this now, guys. Make it boil. Okay, guys, are you ready for the beauty that is this soup here, which took me under an hour to cook? Look at that. Just look at that. Look how thick and oh my. I wish you guys could smell this. Woo! Even better taste it. Look at the thickness. Look there. Whoa. Woo! So you know the drill. I have the dish here. Let's go and start here. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. 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 Woo. Quick and easy pea soup that can be done in under an hour. And the best thing about this pea soup here, oh, it's hot. Put this is that you can have some to take to work tomorrow. Come home on a Monday evening, you cook this and that hour. You have some to take to work tomorrow. By the time you get to work, not true. You don't have to spend no money, you can save the lunch money then. To do something else, not true. Look at that. Oh, look at that beauty. Beautiful. 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 And there you have it, guys. Jamaican pea soup done meatless Monday style.